I'm showing you how can I do that? How can I do everything? So let's start it. Okay, first you have to do that. First you have to take rectangle, then just do it like that. Do zoom in and cut it. Then do it. That's enough. Now change the color. Change the color. This is white. Okay, done it. Now set it. Then copy it and then do it like that. Rectangle. Take rectangle. Then just to opposite 50%. That's done. Now take it from that side. Okay. You can raise it 50%. Alt and copy it. Just color picker and take this color. Yes, done. Now copy and color picker. Just take this color. Okay, done. Done. Now we just have to take it middle of the front and then take it middle of the front. Done. Done. Now we have to take it like login. Done. Now take it from this side. Change the color. Done. Okay. Everything is done. So now last is rectangle. Just click it. Okay. So use the stroke. Hmm. Now take this Facebook. Click Alter and copy it. No. Done, done, done. And now we have to just write it all this thing. Login. Okay. You just have to select that. Yes, done. You can change this like this, like. If you want to change this, you can change. Done. Now you have to type it email or another things. You have to change this text. Just have to take this all these things and scroll down. That's enough. And now we have to run it like that or just type password. Then it's finished. Right now we don't have to do anything and like just on this and this works. So you can find it Google. Just go to Google and email Victor. Right on it. click it, just copy and paste here. Zoom in, zoom out it, and then it is to be zero to expand. Okay, just take this color and now you can do that. Now you just like to this. Now you just have to log vector. Or just have to log vector. Take this or copy. Now copy it and just do Shiroti. Then expand. Okay, small it, zoom in. And you can do like that. Yes, you have done it. Done all the things. Just elongate. It's done. Now we can do that. Like you have to change the color. Just do it like that. It's done. Done. You can tick mark or something like that. Remember me. Just type it right now. Remember me. Just change the color like that, and that's enough. Almost done. Everything is done. So this is done right now, or no? Just you have to do it like that. You have to cut it in the middle. That's enough. Yes, that's enough. You have to just that's enough. Like that, you can do that. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, or if you want to new it, so just like it. Thanks for watching.